What if 1 teaspoon could give plants nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, while also helping protect them from pests naturally? Many gardeners use expensive products without knowing a simple natural method can support faster and healthier plant growth. First, take a few whole cloves and put them into a blender. Blend them into a fine powder. Making a fresh powder helps release the natural oils and nutrients more effectively, which can support healthier soil and stronger roots. Now take 1 teaspoon of this powder and mix it into 1 liter of water. As the powder mixes with water, it releases natural compounds that may help improve soil activity, support greener leaves, and strengthen plant growth. The strong natural aroma can also help discourage small harmful insects around the roots. Stir the mixture well and leave it for 30 minutes. Before using it, loosen the top layer of soil around your plants so the nutrients can go deeper into the roots. Then slowly pour the mixture around the base of your plants. You can use it for tomatoes, chilies, cucumbers, roses, flowering plants, indoor plants, and young trees. Use this natural feed once every 15 days for the best results. Many gardeners notice stronger stems, healthier leaves, and better overall growth after regular use. Just remember, a small amount is enough because too much can stress the plant. Simple natural remedies often give surprising results in the garden. Try this easy method and watch your plants grow healthier and bigger naturally. See you in the next gardening video.